Hello friends. Welcome to our channel True Wonders. Gatwick Airport is one of the most popular airport around London. With summer holidays starting now, I am sure you must be packing your bag for a getaway. One of the final thing on our list is always parking, and with parking at airport being very costly, I am going to cover various other cheaper ways, including free parking, you can use to reduce your cost. So, let's get started. Go to website nationalrail.co.uk. I will select departure as Gatwick Airport, and arrival at London to see all nearby stops. I will then click Search. Now click View Details button. And then click Show Calling Points. This will now show you all calling points to Gatwick Airport. As we can see, nearby calling points are Hawley, Salfords, Earlswood and Redhill. Let's quickly look at what will be the frequency of trains from these stations. Because last thing we want to see is that there is train only once a day from these stations. I am going to select Earlswood station and will search same way. You can see that trains from Earlswood to Gatwick Airport is every 30 minutes, and return ticket is only £8.40, which is very good. Now, let's find a street where we can park free. Go to Google Maps and search Earlswood. We can now look various streets via Street View to see if there are any parking restrictions, and do we see free parking spaces. Let's check Hawthorne Road first. As you can see, there are lots of spaces on the street. And this road does not have any parking restriction. Although, please bear in mind that council can change restrictions at any time. Now let's have a look at another road. Knighton Road. There are no parking restrictions on this road either, but this road has less parking spaces. We can check further down the road via moving in Street View. We found couple of spaces, but this road has more curbs, so will be difficult to get parking. Now let's finally check another road. This time let's try left side. Maybe Earlswood Road. As you can see, this road has some parking, and is very close to the station as well. So this could be another option if you don't find parking on other roads. One thing I do want to call out is that, please park responsibly, and please, don't block anyone's driveway. This way we can easily check roads near other stations as well. Just bear in mind that, closer you will go to Gatwick Airport, it will be difficult to find free parking spaces. But you now definitely 3 roads, where you can park freely. You can apply this process in finding free parking anywhere. I hope this will help you. If you do like this video, and would like to know free parking spaces near other landmarks and airports, then subscribe to True Wonders. See you guys soon.